Hello everyone, welcome on Budget Buffet. Now till now you must have understood the budget very well, the snippets, the key takeaways. Now overall the positioning of the budget had been really good. Getting, if you talk about bad banks, yes, it will boost credit growth going forward because all the bad loans will be consolidated together. Privatization of PSUs are also a big boost as we have heard about it. Added to that, what we have understand is Make in India was what the theme which this government always had. Now the roadmaps are Make for the World. With this in the buffet, what we have got some select 4 companies in the buffet where you can always buy these companies for a medium to long term perspective. To start up with a technology company, a mid cap technology, Mastech. Target has been 1500. UK business is really strong for them. But now US business is also clicking good deals for them. Added to that strong cash flows, I think Mastech is a great company to own in the mid cap with a target of 1500. Second is Escorts. We know domestic consumption, domestic tractors and agricultural growth, construction growth is strong. Last 5 years, Escorts has been delivering strong growth. I think this year and the coming year also will be very strong for Escorts with a target of 1570. The third company is a construction ancillary, that is cement play, a mid-cap cement company called Birla Corp. Cost optimization is one theme, operational efficiency is second. I believe Birla Corp is very well positioned with a target of 1030. And the fourth company is Galaxy Surfactant, which I have spoken with you before also, with a target of 2500. I believe it applies to the FMCG, home care, other segments. I think this surfactant, the chemical business of this is very strong, and you never know. Production link incentive PLI will be also a very big beneficiary. Galaxy Surfactant. In the buffet, these 4 fits the bill with a medium to long term horizon. Thank you.